Hello everyone and welcome to your first Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, Introduction to Premiere. Now let's talk about this software. This software is one of the most popular video editing software available right now. It is a very professional, real-time and a timeline based proprietary video editing software. This software is being widely used all over the world by a large number of people and groups. This software has also been used for broadcasting purposes in a very popular channel, that is the BBC, and also in one of the most popular channels of America, The Tonight Show. This software has also been used in some movies such as The Social Network, Captain Abu Raid, and Monsters. This software is famous for its a very user-friendly software and also a very powerful software. This software can support high definition video editing of the resolution of up to 10,240 by 8,192 pixels. This software was first released in December 1991 by Adobe Systems for Mac systems. Then later on, after 2 years, this software was also released for the Windows system in September 1993. This software has two versions, that is the Adobe Premiere and Adobe Premiere Pro. Now Adobe Premiere is referred to all the versions of this software that were made before the year of 2003. After the year 2003 and onwards, all the versions were referred to as the Adobe Premiere Pro. And the first Adobe Premiere Pro version was released for Windows systems on 2003 Adobe Premiere Pro version 1.0. And after few years, it was released for the Mac systems as well. So in 2007, the Adobe Premiere Pro CS3 version was released for Macintosh systems. The version we will be currently using is the Adobe Premiere Pro CS5. We will start working into the software from the next tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.